My dear friends, hello. Today we will talk about maintenance management. After completing the session, you will come to know what is maintenance, what is the requirement of maintenance in tourism, and what is the purpose of maintenance in tourism and travel industry. So let us start with our session with the introduction to maintenance management. Maintenance management is very important part of operations in tourism, travel, event, cargo and logistics industry. First of all, let us talk about what is maintenance management. To maintain machines and process ongoing smoothly in any organization is known as maintenance management. You would be thinking about machines used in tourism and travel industry. In tourism and travel, we have a number of machines like point of sale system, Portis portable ticket issuing system, Aptis all purpose ticket issuing system, entry and exit points at metro station, boarding pass issuing machine, and systems used in travel agency, machines used by airports. Now, why maintenance is required? Many systems work day and night. A small fault in the flight control system can cause a big loss. So, fault cannot be tolerated. Many systems are made fault tolerant and regular maintenance is expedited by the organization. When maintenance is done, we can classify this as regular maintenance. We can also call regular maintenance as preventive maintenance. In preventive maintenance, cleaning is done, oil is changed in the machine, few adjustments are done and repair is performed. Second maintenance is maintenance at the time of breakdown. When there is breakdown in the system, we have to do maintenance of the machine or system. That is known as breakdown maintenance. There are few types of maintenance. First is corrective maintenance, second is preventive maintenance, third is risk based maintenance, and fourth is condition based maintenance. Is there any relation between lockdown and maintenance? If there is a lockdown for few months, few weeks or for some time, factories and organizations, they have to maintain their machines to avoid any mishappening or accident. You might have come across few cases of accidents because of poor maintenance or because of negligence. What are advantages of maintenance? By regular maintenance, we can assure on-time flights, no delay due to poor performance of machines, tickets are booked timely, smooth running of coaches, and good feedback of tourists can be obtained from tour groups. There are few demerits also. Maintenance implicates more cost to the organization. You need supervisory staff and you have to plan in better way. It means qualified staff must be deputed for maintenance. Now you can answer few questions like what is maintenance? Second question is what are various advantages of maintenance? For more information, you can refer good books on operations management. Thank you.